Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn how to put password in our PDF. So here you can see we have this PDF, and if we press Ctrl D, then in this security tab we can see everything is allowed. So this means a user can do anything because there is no any restriction. So to put a restriction we will do something here. So here you can see we have this project that we have created in the last video. So to put password, first we need to create one key length. Okay, so key length will be 128, and this will be helpful to encode our PDF. So we will make it final. Now we need to create one object of access permission. Access permission, new access permission. Okay, now create one another object of a standard protection policy. Standard protection policy SP equal to new standard protection policy, and here we need to put owner password, user password and access permission. So owner password we will put 1124. okay, now user password will be, for example, hello, although I will recommend you to put a strong password. And the third is access permission. So access permission here and semicolon. Now we have a policy, and using this we can just encrypt. So sp dot set encryption key length. So length is key length. Okay, sp dot set permissions, and permission is access permission. Now document dot protect sp. okay, so now let's run this. And here you can see we have this PDF file open, so just close and run. Now PDF created, and here you can see it is asking for the password. So if we will put user password, that is hello, and then press Ctrl D, you can see this page extraction is not allowed and other things are allowed. And if we close this and open this PDF with the user and open this PDF using owner password, then let's see the result. So owner password is 1124. Command D, that is Command D or Control D based on your operating system. Security, and here you can see everything is allowed. So if you open this PDF using owner password, everything will be allowed, and if you open this using user password, so there will be some restriction. So just close, and here I want to show you something. So let's make printing false. Okay, so for that, this access permission dot set can print, so print is false. Okay, and again run. PDF created and user password and Control D, and here you can see printing is not allowed. Okay, and other things are allowed, signing is allowed. So just close, and here you can individually put all permissions. So for example, access permission dot set can modify and false. Okay, so using this you can individually set the permission. So again let's run. Control D, security, and you can see changing the document is not allowed. So this was the example how to set password in your PDF. So hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe this channel, like this video. See you in the next. Till then, bye.